are certain moments in your life when everything just clicks. When you are in absolute bliss, passion, flow, you're happy, you're energized, you're excited, and every moment, fiber and cell in your body is totally at ease and in alignment with its purpose, direction, and focus. This is how it feels every day to be a part of the real life trading movement. We are more than a company. We're a family. We're a tribe. We are a society. We are a group of individuals from all over the world who are destined, born, created, and inspired to find and help other folks to determine and create their purpose. When you remove the money problems that face so many humans, the spark that ignites in their body creates both memories and experiences that shape and alter their life forever. That is our goal at Real Life Trading, to help all that seek to understand the stock market and its mysteries, its movements, and how you can use this incredible vehicle of abundance and prosperity to bring in more cash flow, more wealth, and more riches into your life. Our mission is to enrich lives, and we are constantly and consistently pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone to both locations, times, and mindsets where we strive to become the best versions of ourselves.
Out. You're done. You're done. Let's go.
And when we do this with like-minded individuals, we create a small community of thought leaders and people who are truly committed to change. Never doubt that a small tribe of like-hearted, focused, well-being, guided humans will ever change the earth, because frankly, that is precisely what generally ends up happening. It is just those people, just those folks that are focused and determined to grow and adapt and change our hearts and minds to become better for the world. Gandhi said, "Be the change that you want to see. Be the change that the world needs." We are Real Life Trading.